So you're flying little planes and you want to record what's inside the cockpit. Or maybe you like watching little planes and you're like, what happens in the cockpit? Well, now you get to listen. But first, you need the gear. So I'm going to give you a little tutorial on what you need to get in order to record the cockpit audio. All right, check it out. Hey guys, this is Greg Morgan, Fly with Koa, and I'm going to give you some quick tutorials on how to set up recording in your cockpit. Now, I'm not in the plane to be able to show you, but I did test it today, so at the end of this video you'll get to hear it. But if you're like me and you want to know how to record it and you're hoping for one video to show you, this is it, because I went through like 15 different videos trying to find all the different parts in order to do this. So I'm going to do this really quick. Try to do it in less than a minute. That way you can move on to hearing it and what it sounds like recorded, and then you can do it yourself. So first thing I have is something I've had with me, which is a GoPro Hero 9. It's the GoPro 9 Black. You can get a new one. They're like $300 at Walmart. While you're there, also get an extra battery. That's very important, by the way. But they have this box, and this box by On has everything you could possibly need in order to record while you're in the plane. I personally have a clip that I would put up for that to be able to record, but also when I have a passenger, I give them one of these and this GoPro Hero 9, and then it just clips right in, and now your passenger can hold it. I actually like this for right now, even though I do have two GoPros. It's just a little nicer just to be able to record out the side and then be able to get the pilot or the people in the back and all that. So you have this. Makes it really simple to be able to record. On the side where you plug it in is right there. There's the battery. Get yourself an extra battery. I think I already said that, but I'm going to say it again. And then the only other thing I bought was the NFlightCam cord. And if you're a pilot, you know you have your headset and you have two prongs. And so this plugs into the one that it fits into. And then there's an empty one for you to plug yours back into this. And then the other one into the open slot still on your dash. Now, that is fine and dandy and it works, but I actually don't want this in my way. I don't want the cords going past me. So what I do is I take this and I plug it in the back seat. So plug this in the back seat. You don't have to plug any other headset in it. It will perfectly fine record. And then you take this, just run it between the two seats and plug it into the little USB-C at the bottom. At that point, you turn it on the side, you press record, and you have everything you need in order to record some flight. So check out the landing and go ahead and, I don't know, hammer me in the comments because I floated a little. And yeah, but it was a fun time. So check this out.
Dinwiddie traffic 502 Romeo Foxtrot, turning left downwind runway 5, Dinwiddie.
Whoop, doing a little bit. What'd you think? Pretty good. Got out to see a little sights back. Yeah. Do we want to take off and land one more time, or do we just want to call it and go out to lunch? That's up to you. It's really up to him. How about lunch? Yeah, all right. That's kind of what I figured, because you had a long morning. Yeah. And
Thinking he wanted to leave the plane for lunch. Yeah, he was just a student pilot. He just did his solo, and we were only going up to test out the gear. So hope you liked it. Hope the audio was good. And next time you can follow us on a fun adventure where maybe we hit something like Buc-ee's. So subscribe, like us, follow us. See you on the next one.